Let me show you another solution of the problem y times the quantity of 8x minus 9y dx plus 2x times the quantity of x minus 3y dy equals to 0 using equations with homogeneous coefficient. So here our equation is homogeneous to the second degree. So first, we let y equals to bx. Then the derivative of y is equals to b dx plus x dv. Then we substitute y. Then we have bx times the quantity of 8x minus 9bx dx plus 2x times the quantity of x minus 3bx times the quantity of b dx plus x dv equals to 0. Then simplifying, we have vx squared times the quantity of 8 minus 9v dx plus 2x squared times the quantity of 1 minus 3v times the quantity of b dx plus x dv equals to 0. So distribute our b dx and x dv. Then we have vx squared times the quantity of 8 minus 9v dx plus 2x squared times the quantity of 1 minus 3b v dx plus 2x squared times the quantity of 1 minus 3b times x dv equals to 0. Then we divide by x squared and combine like terms. So we have now 8b minus 9b squared dx plus 2b minus 6b squared dx plus 2x minus 6v x dv equals to 0. So here, x squared will be cancelled out, x squared will be cancelled out, then here x squared will be cancelled out. Then we have 10v minus 15b squared dx plus 2x times 1 minus 3v dv equals to 0. So simplifying, then we have 5v times the quantity of 2 minus 3v dx plus 2x times the quantity of 1 minus 3v times dv equals to 0. Then divide by xb and 2 times 2 minus 3v. Then we have 5 dx over x. So here, v and 2 minus 3v will be cancelled out. So what is left is 5 dx over x. Then here, x will be cancelled out. That's why we have 2 times the quantity of 1 minus 3b db over b times 2 minus 3b. Then integrate. So we have now 5, the integral of dx over x plus the integral of 2 times 1 minus 3v dv over v times the quantity of 2 minus 3v equals to the integral of 0. First we consider the integral of 2 times 1 minus 3v dv over v times 2 minus 3v. So we let 2 minus 6b. So we distribute 2 over b times 2 minus 3b equals to a over b plus b over 2 minus 3v. Then we multiply both sides by b times 2 minus 3v. So the result is here. So b times 2 minus 3v will be cancelled out. So here b will be cancelled out. Then we have a times 2 minus 3b. Then here 2 minus 3b will be cancelled out. Then what is left is b times v. So that's why we have 2 minus 6v equals to 8 times 2 minus 3b plus bv. Then we let v equals to 0. So if v equals to 0, then what is left is 2 equals to 2a, or a is equals to 1. And if we let 2 minus 3b equals to 0, our b is equals to 2 over 3. Substituting to the equation, then we have b equals to negative 3. Therefore, our integral of 2 times 1 minus 3b db over b times the quantity of 2 minus 3b is equals to the integral of db over b minus the integral of 3 db over 2 minus 3b, which is equals to ln of b plus ln of 2 minus 3b. Or we have ln of b times 2 minus 3b. So therefore, we have 5 ln of x. So 5 ln of x come from 5 the integral of dx over x. Then plus ln of b times 2 minus 3b equals to c. Simplifying, we have ln of x to the fifth plus ln of b times 2 minus 3b equals to c. Or we have ln of x to the fifth b times 2 minus 3b equals to c. So we introduce or multiply both sides by e. Then we have e ln of x to the fifth b times 2 minus 3b equals to ec. Then ln of b is equals to 1. Then we have x to the fifth b times 2 minus 3b equals to c, where e to the power of c is equals to c. Then from y equals to bx, we have b equals to y over x. So substitute to the equation, we have x to the fifth y over x times 2 minus 3y over x equals to c. Or we have x to the fourth y times 2x minus 3y over c equals minus 3y over x equals to c. So x will be cancelled out. So what is left is x cubed y times 2x minus 3x equals to c.